Good morning, traders. It's Wednesday, July 29th, and I'm about to start doing some trading. I am just I'm going to take the code 2 trade and go for 100 ticks. And also, the news will be coming out today in about 50 minutes from now. The news will be coming out. And usually always the code 2 will give you the right direction before the news even comes out. So when the news does come out, it just goes in the right way. Usually always that's what happens. Not always though. Anyway, I'll be back shortly. I'm going to take an entry into the market here. Okay, I have taken a short position here. Let me go calculate my stop and set it. Okay, stop is set at 65. It's being choppy here on me. Moving back up here on me. Code is still intact though. Okay, it just hit me. It's in the same thing as yesterday. I'm going to take another trade and I'm going to go long. Okay, I have taken a long position here. This will be for 100 ticks. This will be for the code 2 trade. It was offset. Offset on the code 2, just slightly. Got it going the wrong way again. This thing cracks me up. And but now I got it going the right way, and it's going to take off going higher. And this is the code 2, and I'm going to go for 100 ticks today. We did 120 yesterday. Hey, should be able to do it again today. So I got a 100 tick exit on this, and I'm letting it fly. I'll be back. By the way, this is basically exactly what I called to happen yesterday in my charting service. That what I'm saying it's going to do right now is basically what I said it was going to do in my charting service yesterday. Almost exactly. You can make a lot of money in my charting service. I have been calling it out exactly what it's been doing. I called it out last week, Thursday and Friday, what it would do, and it did it. I've been calling it over and over again and getting it right on the daily chart with respect to the code 2. You can make a lot of money in my charting service. You know, above and beyond the code 2. I also called the bottom that it previously made. That wasn't the bottom, because I can tell when the bottom comes via the code. I can actually tell. I'll be able to tell you, out of all the people in the world, I will be able to tell you when and where the bottom on oil is, as per the code. While everybody else is sitting there wondering about it on CNBC, I can tell you. And in my charting service, I most absolutely will tell you where and when the bottom on oil comes. Because that's going to be a big bottom and worth a lot of money to go long. The bottom has not been set yet. By the way, for those of you who might be wondering or want to know, here is the time, 7:05 Pacific time. 7:05 in the morning, and you can see here on the chart, it's, here's 6:20. It's now 7:05 over here. Here's the world clock. You can see your time somewhere in this clock here. All the times around the world relative to this time. Prague 4:05 p.m. Hong Kong 10:05. All the times around the world. What you are seeing is the real deal. You are seeing the code in action and me working and applying the code. And I am in a code 2 trade for 100 ticks right now. News is coming out in less than 25 minutes. By the way, as you can see, I did adjust the stop to 53, so not quite 20 ticks on the stop. The code always tells me where to place the stop. News coming out in 19 minutes. Hope this thing starts to boogie up before it comes out. It is still mathematically possible right now that I'm going the wrong way. And what's nice about today is it's so tight that if I am going the wrong way, it'll be made apparent very soon, and then I'll be able to take the other position and won't lose a lot of ticks because it's really super tight today. But on a news day like this, it could be good because it could really move afterwards. Take a big move today. Just need to get the direction right. It's starting to move up here. I'll be able to confirm the up direction very soon. Be right back. News is coming out in 9 minutes. And here is the atomic clock again. 7:21 a.m. Pacific time. Comes out in 9 minutes. 8.5 minutes now. You know, most people wouldn't hold to the news like this, coming out in 8 minutes now. Most people wouldn't hold like this, coming into the news, because they don't know which way it's going to go. But I'm here to tell you that by knowing code 2, you can just sit there and take the trade, and as long as you're playing the code properly, you have the proper stop and everything, it's going to hold, and it's going to go in the right direction for you. You don't have to do anything. Now, it doesn't always do that. Like, for instance, last Wednesday, it didn't do that at all. And it went both ways and knocked out the codes completely. So it doesn't always work, but most of the time it does. And I'll demonstrate that for you. Show you. I'm going to show you today, right now. And then if it works, you'll see it. If it doesn't, you'll see that as well. But you'll see it every Wednesday, so you can see what I'm talking about. It is always better, though, to get out as far as possible before the news comes out, because likely what'll happen is it'll have like a reversal, like a move where it comes back, boom, and then it goes back up again. That can happen, and the farther you're out, the more chances your stop won't get hit when it does that. Otherwise, if it's too close, sometimes it will come back and hit it. Like that last Wednesday, it hit them both by a large margin. Other times, the news will come out. Let's say we're in a trend like this going up, and it'll just shoot straight up, just keep going. So that can happen too very easily. So the main thing is to always play the code 2, irregardless of anything else. I still don't have it mathematically confirmed off of code 2, but we are getting real close. Okay, code 2 is now mathematically confirmed to be long. So we are sitting pretty now. All I gotta do is sit back, kick back, and watch it happen. News comes out in 3 minutes. I'll record it for the show here. Hopefully what it's going to do is it's just going to go up and just keep on going. Just take off. Go make 100 ticks like it was nothing today. Be an easy day today. Be right back. Okay, here comes the news. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. Bada bing. Don't you just love being in the right direction? Code 2, baby. It's code 2. You just gotta know the code. 47.68. I get out at 48.68. Here we go, baby. 60 more ticks. It's called code 2, everyone. Get the code 2. Teach you how to be able to take a position before the news comes out, and you're already going the right way. How much money is that worth to you? How much money is that worth to you? It's worth a lot. It's worth a lot. Go, baby, go. 100 ticks in the bag. Piece of cake. Anyway, that's how easy it is. It's very, very simple, very, very easy. Well, actually, is take some skill, take some practice, take some knowledge, but you see that I can do it quite effortlessly and know which direction it's going to go before it goes there. Make a lot of money with that, obviously. I'm just kicking back. The chances of it making my 100 ticks is very high. I'll come right back. This thing's got some oomph to it. It wants to go here. 33 is that 33 is a high. Let's see if this thing wants to break loose here. I'm at 68 on the exit. Here we go. 68 on the exit. It might come real close and then top out right up there because it's moving up so fast. I'll probably jump out if it does. If it gets anywhere like into the high 50s, I'll jump out. Okay, I'll be right back. Pretty cool though, huh? Knowing which direction it's going to go before it goes there, before the news, all using code 2. Don't let anybody fool you, my friends. My trading system is the most powerful trading system in the world. Don't let anybody fool you otherwise. This thing is on a real tear. It just hit 48. High 50s, I'll jump out. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm getting ready to jump out right up here. It's getting ready to top, I think. 60. I'm getting ready to jump out. Come on. One more time. Go up. One more. If not, I'm jumping out. Okay, I'm jumping out right there. Alright. I think it might top right there. It might come back down for a bit. I don't want to ride it down. That's like, let me calculate that. It's like, that's actually like 100 ticks off code 2, just about. So and it ran up 100 ticks really super fast right off the news. It's likely to come back down now, and I don't want to ride it back down. Anyway, this is what I call an easy day today. Some days are hard, some days are easy, some days are somewhere in the middle. Today's an easy day. It was easy. I saw the code 2. Actually, it wasn't that easy. I lost the first trade. I did the same thing yesterday too. But I called what it would do, and it did what I called. And it was an easy day today. It's that simple. And so what I like to do on easy days is take the day off. The rest of the day, it was easy. Take the rest of the day off and go do whatever it is I want to go do. And I've got a lot to do. So that's exactly what I'm going to go do now. Take the rest of the day off. And, well, actually, I got a whole bunch of work to do. I got to do the charting, everything. I got to do a lot of work. But I'm not going to trade anymore. Anyway, I hope you guys are learning. And I hope those of you who are sitting on the sidelines are being impressed. So you should be. Let's take a look at the time again. 7:37 a.m. Don't let the news came out 7 minutes ago. Don't let anybody fool you in this world. This is not some kind of a replay or anything like that. What you're seeing is what's happening. So don't let anybody take this truth that I have discovered and this system that I have developed away from you. You can make a lot of money with this. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow. Happy trading, traders. Hope you guys are learning and being impressed. I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading. Happy trading.